Namaste everyone and welcome back to another video of Kalpita Yoga Center from Imagination to Reality. Today we are going to continue our series on pranayam. The pranayam which we are going to discuss today is called Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam means in correct order and in reverse order. So as many of you are aware, it is breathing exercise which involves your right nostril and your left nostril. Now let us understand the benefits of doing it. When we do this pranayam, it helps to balance our energy flows in our body. It balances right nostril and your left nostril, or you can say it balances your Surya Nadi or Chandra Nadi. This pranayam will help you to calm your mind. It will get glow on your skin, and it is very good when you're stressed out, and in case you find that you are breathing very heavily and you don't know the reason why it's happening, you can just do this pranayam for few seconds and you can see the way it does magic on you. Let's understand what are the prevention you have to take for doing this. So only prevention is in case of any discomfort, in case you have difficulty because of your respiratory issues, it's better if you feel any discomfort or you find any kind of issues, kindly stop doing this and then try doing this only under an expert's guidance. Now let us understand how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, so first you have to make a mudra like this, where your thumb is outside and your ring finger and your little finger are together, and your index and middle finger will be folded like this. Okay, and this is very commonly used way of doing the pranayam, but we will do a little change in this. We will be using our thumb and only little finger, and our left hand will be in chin mudra on your laps. So chin mudra is joining your index finger and your thumb slightly together, and the other three fingers also will be joined together and put it on your laps. You can sit in any posture, whichever is comfortable to you. Okay, why we are going with thumb and little finger? So let's understand a small thing where you have 5 elements in your 5 fingers. This is your fire element, this is your air element, this is your sky, this is your earth, and this is your water. So if you are aware, you might be knowing that your thumb is fire and your right nostril is also fire, or you can say it represents sun, and your left nostril represents moon, and moon is represented by water. For this reason, we are going to do this pranayam using a thumb and little finger. You can do this pra also, it's not wrong, but we will be following this one, thumb and little finger. For this, you have to place your thumb on your right nostril and your little finger on your left nostril. You have to inhale from one nostril and then exhale from another nostril. Again, inhale from another nostril and exhale from the other one. So let's do it. For that, close your eyes, your left hand on your lap, sit in any comfortable posture, eyes closed, and let's begin it. You have to inhale from your right, hold it. Now exhale from your left. Again, inhale from your left, exhale from your right, inhale from your right, Exhale from your left. Again, inhale from your left. Exhale from your right. Inhale from your right. Exhale from your left. And now you can stop doing it. You can just relax. Just observe how slow your breathing is right now. If you want, before starting, you can see how many breaths you take in a minute. And same way, after doing this, you can count your breath. So this will help you determine how your body has relaxed. So let's practice it together for 10 counts. Okay, from right side, we will start. Okay, just place your thumb and little finger and let's begin. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Again, inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. And now just relax yourself. Observe your breathing. And you can slowly open your eyes. This can be done a little more slower. And you can just do as many counts as your body allows you. It's not necessary that you keep on doing it continuously. You can just take a break after this few counts. You can again start doing it. For any doubts, comment below and keep practicing. Till then, see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye. Take care.